What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Munchpak March 2020. Now, you guys, I actually asked Garrett to do the video with me because y'all actually like me doing the videos better with him. But he had to go to work today, so it's just going to be me and you. So let's go ahead and open it and see what Munchpak got in store for us. Here are some of the things on top, honey. So first, one thing that's really interesting to me is the Jolly Pong chips. To me, this looks like cereal. Let me look in a book. You can see exactly what it is. It says it is Crown Jolly Pong, and it was from South Korea. It says these delectable corn and wheat puffs come together to bring the perfect combination of sweet, salty, and crunchy into one single pack. So I would be mighty surprised if they really taste like that cereal. I can't think of the name of it right now. Oh, it smells like that cereal. It's hard for me to open this bag. I knew it. It's I think it's a cereal that we have like this in America called Honey Smacks. And that's exactly what it tastes like. Honey Smacks cereal. Exactly just like Honey Smacks. So I'm gonna eat this with some cereal because it's better with milk. These are really good. Next, we have the Here's Deep Dish Pizza Flavored Cheese Curls. Now, these actually is from the United States, and we actually have these here. I never tried them before, so let me go ahead and try it out. They look like little Cheetos, little Cheeto Puffs. And that's exactly what it tastes like. A Cheeto Puff. These are good. It doesn't really have that pizza flavor to it. Sadly, it's just a Cheeto Puff. So next we have the Llama Bar. It is a milk and fruit cereal. Now this is a Munchpak Llama Bar. It says made from smooth white confection and sweet crunchy cereal bits throughout. It's like having a delicious bowl of your favorite fruity cereal in one convenient bar. So this is what it looks like right here. I think the packaging is really cute. This is the first time that I ended up getting something that Munchpak has made. So hopefully it's good. Okay, so y'all, this is what it looks like so far. To me, it looks like a little bit of the fruity cereal in there. Like maybe like a white chocolate. Okay. It tastes like Fruit Poop. Fruit Loops. It tastes like Fruit Loops. And it also tastes like Fruity Pebbles. That isn't really an everyday taste. It's different. It's 270 calories though. It's not really something I would gravitate to, honestly. But don't get me wrong. I do feel like I can enjoy it a little more because it's not as sweet, which is great. So next I'm going to try Mr. Brownie. It is a rich, moist, and fudgy galactic brownies. Now, I like brownies now. So let's see if it's worth it. And where did this come from? Spain. This is from Spain. I'm happy that they don't add like a lot of chocolate in these boxes because I really don't care too much for chocolate. That looks nasty. Y'all see that? It doesn't look good at all. Yeah, it just looks so discolored. What's the expiration date on this? Oh, okay, November 9th. Okay. It looks really moist. That is really, really sweet. I just needed a little taste of that. That is 110 calories. Wow. I definitely would have thought it was going to be more calories than that. But that's extremely sweet. I had to drink some water with that. So next we have the 8-kick. Let me see if I can go ahead and find this in the book. This is from Turkey. You either get chocolate or strawberry, and I guess I got chocolate. It says it is a moist and spongy cake that has not one but two delicious flavors you could receive. One is luxurious double chocolate, and the other vanilla with sweet and fruity strawberry filling. I wish I had vanilla instead of chocolate. It feels like it's two in here, unless it's just one big one. And it is. It smells good, though. Like, as soon as you open it, like, you can smell the strawberry. But this is what it looks like. It looks like a really big piece of vanilla cake with chocolate on top. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. And we're going to give it a try. Okay. It's not really bad. It's not too sweet. But I don't like the chocolate and the strawberry and the... It's just too much is going on for me. I can't really enjoy it as much as I want to. So, I'll say a no to that one. I'll probably put that to the side for Garrett so he can try it. So, next we have the 1 milk chocolate waffle. It has a soft butter toffee in the middle. So, this might be good. Really thin. Yeah, I'm not feeling this one either. For some reason, last month's box was better. And I'm getting a lot of sweets here in this box than savory. And I can say I'm not too happy about that. I really am not. That's exactly why I canceled my snack crate box, because I was getting too much sweets. And I'm not really big on sweets. I'm really not. So I actually got all of the sweets over there in one pile. So next, I have the lime peanuts. And I know these are going to be delicious. Oh yeah, they smell good. I think I still got a little bit of that chocolate on my fingers. I like these. These are really good. I can definitely get with those. And next we have the, I don't know how to pronounce that, the Beauplon. Doplon. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It is a coated biscuit with vanilla flavored cream. That might be good. I don't know though, because this chocolate is getting to me though. Oh, this one is like messed up. But this is what it looks like. I'm a little disappointed with this box, y'all. I really am. I mean, I got some cereal here, some Cheeto Puffs here, and the rest of it is chocolate with a cereal bar. And the peanuts are okay, but it's not something I'll really grab. So lastly, we have candy. We have the sour straws here and the Flippy. I guess these are dolphin gummies. I love gummies. I always have. So maybe we're ending this video off at a good note. This smells like grape. It tastes like they have a grape flavor to me. But let me make sure that I'm right. It says gummy sharks. So I was wrong. It's not dolphins. It says every bite of these gummy treats is a tidal wave of delicious flavor. Absolutely. Oh, my bad. Adorably shaped and equally as tasty. These gummy sharks are a dangerously delicious snack, and they're from France. It doesn't really say the flavor on these, but I'm getting more of a grape flavor for the blue one. Let's try these. Yeah, more of a grape flavor. I thought that it was going to be two different flavors due to two different colors, but it's not. Next, we have the Sour Sticks Mix. And these remind me of the sour straws that we have in America. So, they may taste the same. I'm going to grab the blue one because blue is my favorite. Yep. They taste exactly like the sour straws. So, I'm going to tell y'all my favorite things out of this box. I would definitely say my favorite is the sour sticks. They actually taste more sour than the sour straws that we have here. And I would also say my favorite is probably the deep dish pizza chips, because it tastes like Cheeto Puffs. It doesn't even taste like pizza at all. Just regular Cheeto Puffs. Y'all want to taste it? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm sorry if I don't feel like I'm really in tune with the video. It's just I really thought that I would have found something that I really liked, because when I peeked into the box when I bought it, I was like, I don't know. And I don't know if this box is going to be good as the last one. And I was right. So I was a little disappointed that I got so many sweets. Then my cakes here. These cakes look nasty. And maybe it's just the M&Ms on top a little discolored. Maybe that's what that is. But it's like a sponge cake. And it's just, it's not my cup of tea. It's really not. And this little Llama Bar cereal. I mean, don't get me wrong, Munchpak. You tried, but you should have just left it alone. That was a waste of... Well, this box was actually $18 because of my discount. So, yeah. But if you're interested in trying some of these items, my referral link to Munchpak will be in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. Hook a girl up with the continued discounts, because that's probably why mine was $18. And it's the same as well. Say, for example, if you already have a Munchpak box, use your referral link and share with a friend, a family member. And if they buy Munchpak, then every month your box, the cheapest box they have is $18, and that's the, well, it's $24.95, but with the additional discount it'll be $18.95, and you're saving a good bit. So, you know, that's always a good thing for your girl, because I only paid $18.95 for this month's box, and I also paid the same exact thing for last month's box, but the original price is $24.95. So I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And tell me your experiences with Munchpak. Do you like it? Are you interested in it? What you think? Do you like what I got? Have you tried some of the things that I bought? Let's have a conversation in the comments down below. Mwah!